Terrible story there. This evening we have no tour bite of the week. This evening we have two bites of the week, and the first one comes from a resident of Portmore who on Wednesday called on the authorities to do something about the pollution of plastics affecting the Hunts Bay fishing village in St. Catherine.
After pointing out that the fish are eating the plastics, one was even found with a juice bottle in its stomach. He says unless something is done about the problem, Jamaicans may have to do without enjoying fish for dinner.
Here's our first bite of the week.
Bite of the week.
Relevant authority, wanna clean up the harbour, wanna clean up the place. Because when you know a big house and you have them big snapper there, it's the little man that go in and boat go and get it. So on need to take a serious step about this Causeway Fishing Village Harbour, whole Hunts Bay Harbour. Please.
And time now for our second bite of the week.
Now, second bite of the week comes from residents of Riverley Avenue in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, who expressed relief on Thursday after calling the police to rescue a 4-year-old boy they say is often left alone for days to fend for himself.
The residents say the boy, who has Down syndrome, spends most of his time locked up in a room with no food to eat. Here's our second bite of the week.
Very good. I'm glad saying gone. We're glad. Go on with him, officer. Here's this been going on, officer. This is the infant alone. Nights upon nights hungry, I kill him. Take him now.
Bite of the week.